Tada everyone, and welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're gonna tour in a railway museum, and we are in Haapsalu, Estonia. Here we will learn the evolution of railways in Estonia. First, we went inside the small museum. Here you can see some early telegraph, telephone devices, wireless communications, and televisions. Wait. So after we toured the small museum, we went outside and you will see a lot of trains on the different ages. So before we went here, we asked permission if we can climb on the trains, and the staff said it is okay, but that we should be careful because the trains are old and it might be dangerous to different ages. So we did it, but with So the former terminal station of the railway was constructed between 1903 and 1905 to serve the resort town of Haapsalu. Hold that. 1, 2, 3, smile. So here, visitors are greeted by 1930s era station master. The station hall includes an emperor's pavilion and a large summer buffet room. The resort town was beloved of Russian imperial family, and the emperor himself was said to have supported the idea of the building. Let's go to the history. The first scheduled train arrived in Haapsalu in 1904 and the last one in 1995. What? Yeah, it's so high for you. And you can't walk there, you will fall. Daddy's going down now. So the trains outside is available 24/7 and can be explored free of charge. Oh, hold now. Go up, and then hold. Don't walk yet, huh? You hold. Go up, get up. We went here because Gustav is fascinated with trains, and this is the first time that we went and see a real train. So everything is Gustav's first time riding a bus, riding a train. So it's not a big exploration, but you can go to the other places of what Haapsalu can offer you because it's just adjacent next to each other, and it's nice to know the history of certain things. I believe this is an old Soviet train. And this blue one, hubby said this is the last train that he remembered that he used to go in going to work. You say stop. You say stop. That. The train on the bus, open and shut, open and shut. And that's everything. If you're not subscribed yet, kindly be subscribed and click the notification bell for you to be notified if there's another upload from us. So next stop is Haapsalu Castle.